Welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. Hello students, I am Aarti Sharma. Today I am going to teach you speech. So first you should know what speech is. A speech is an effective way of communicating a message to a large audience. It is one of the ways of spreading awareness regarding social issues or information about other important issues. So you have to write about any topic about the social issues, or you have to give the information about other important issues. And the format is, you can see here, first you have to write a heading. Whatever heading is given in a question. Suppose this is a question. Write a speech on any one person who has inspired you and who you admire. Suppose this is the question. So you will choose a topic, or you will choose a person, and you will write the name of the person here. So that will be a heading. So you will write, suppose you will write Abdul Kalam. So you will write the heading Abdul Kalam. Then you will address the audience. Address the audience means, as you will say, good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Then you will, my dear friends, I am so and so of this class, and I am going to speak something about Abdul Kalam. Then you will write the content at least in 3 paragraphs. So you will write about Abdul Kalam in 3 paragraphs. About him, where he was born, and why you are so impressed, why you are so much impressed with him, or why he has inspired you. So it is written who has inspired you. So you have been inspired by his personality. So you have to write about him. You will write introduction, then body. So you will write 3 paragraphs in the. And then in the last paragraph, you will conclude with thank you. Conclude with thank you means, after writing 3 paragraphs, you will write thank you at the end like this. This will be separately written here. And that will be the concluding part, or you can say this is the thank you will be the last word there. Then I want to give you the 10 strategies of for writing an effective speech. So the 10 points I am going to write on the board. So the strategies for writing an effective speech are, first one is read the question carefully. That means you have to read the question very carefully about what you have to write. Then you can put the heading there. Number 2, focus on the part of the question or title that needs to be addressed. Just now I told you. Then you have to write about the title or the question. That is why you have to think about that very carefully, so that you can write more and more about that heading. Then interpret the data given, if any. If the data is given, then you have to explain it. Then you have to write about that. Number 4 is use a conversational style of writing. Very fluent and in a conversational style, as if you are talking to somebody or you are giving information about the person. Do not use slang. You should not use any slang in speech. It is a formal type of writing. Use polite, grammatically accurate language. There should not be any grammatical mistakes, and you should also write in a very polite language. Number 7 is avoid repetition of facts and figures. So whatever you will write, you have to be very conscious, you have to be very particular about the facts and figures. The same facts and figures should not be repeated again and again in the speech. Then number 8 is add variety of your vocabulary or expressions. That means your vocabulary should be rich enough so that you can use your best vocabulary and you can express your viewpoint very nicely. Number 9, use convincing examples and language. Whatever language you are using, whatever examples you are using, you should write in such a manner that that person would become very convinced by your viewpoint. And so example should be correct so that you can convince the audience, because you are addressing the large number of people. Then when you conclude, you should restate. Restate means again you have to restate your viewpoint with conviction. So in the 3 paragraphs you will write, in the last paragraph, whatever is the concluding paragraph, in that you should restate your viewpoint with conviction. You should be very adamant, or you should be very convinced that whatever you are saying is right. So you should write your viewpoint with great conviction. And in the last, a quote or a new news headline will help you to introduce or conclude your speech. Quote means any quotation. So whenever you start a speech, if you write, you can start with quotation or a news headline, or when you end the speech, at that time also you will write a quotation. That gives a very good effect on your speech. So these are the points you have to keep in mind while writing the speech. Thank you.